Hello, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
On today's episode, we are doing another pit stop, which means you're going to get a video that's really short, but today's subject is really tall. The Golden Driller can be found at East 21st and South Pittsburgh Avenue in front of the Expo Square SageNet Center. The statue as it stands currently was built in 1966, and in 1979 it became the state's official monument. The right hand of the driller rests on what is known as an oil derrick. Danny is the height of an average female, and the statue behind her is a whopping 76 feet tall. She doesn't even come up to his knee. It's pretty large. You think you're as tall as his boot, maybe?
I might be as tall as his boot. If his boot goes up his leg a little higher, like I think it probably does if he was wearing real boots, I'm probably shorter than the top of his boot.
These boots measure in at a whopping shoe size of 393 triple D. That is a size 112 hard hat, in case anybody was wondering. My normal hat size is a 7.5, so that's significantly larger. If you were to try to give the Golden Driller a hug around the waist, you would have to have extremely long arms because his belt is a 48-foot circumference. Adventurers, we hope you had a great time joining us on this pit stop to check out the Tulsa Golden Driller.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.